May all beings everywhere benefit from our practice today through our bodies and minds. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om. Let's practice the sound breathing. Focus one point at the base of your spine, at the pelvic floor. See a bright red color, like a red ruby or a rose. Visualize that bright red light at the base of your spine. Focus there. We'll use the sound ah to purify the root chakra and the lower three chakras from dense emotions such as doubt, insecurity, fear, worry. Imagine that with the sound, you send out any of that energy and release it from your body. The sound is ah. See red. Focus at the base. Take a deep breath in. See the bright red light at the base of the spine. Move your awareness to your heart center. At the heart, visualize, imagine a bright green light like a green emerald, or trees or grass like the forest. At the center of the heart, focus one point. We'll use the sound you to purify ourselves from the emotions of anger, greed, envy, worry, anxiety. The sound you clears worry, anxiety, fear, anger, worry, creating space in the heart. Take a deep breath in. We'll do this twice. See the green light glowing at the heart. Now move your awareness up towards your throat. At the base of your throat, see a sky blue light, a bright blue light that's like the sky. Imagine that light glowing from the base of your throat all the way through your throat. Here we'll use the sound so to purify ourselves from sadness, grief, attachment. The sound so releases sadness, grief, attachment, making space for liberation, freedom, opening the speech. We'll say the sound so twice. Take a deep breath in. So. See the sky blue light at the throat. Now for the eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Visualize the color indigo or darker blue. For purifying the senses, we'll use the sound E. We'll do this one once. See the indigo color as you make this sound. Take a deep breath in. See the indigo color behind your sense organs, eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Now bring your focus to your third eye, 1 inch behind the forehead, just between the eyebrows and slightly above the eyebrows as well. See the color violet or lavender, a purple color. Here at the forehead, we'll use the sound sun with the lips open like a shining sun to purify and clear our intuitive capabilities, our perceptions. This is a space for pure knowledge. We'll do this sound once. The sound is sun. Take a deep breath in, focus there, 1 point, third eye. Sun. See the violet color at the third eye? And now bring your awareness to the crown of your head. The crown of the head is where we connect and unify with the divine masculine energy, with a sense of unity, the connections with all beings. Focus 1 point at the crown of your head at the very top. Sense and become aware of a bright white light at the crown of your head. Imagine this light, it's brighter than the sun. It's so bright, like 1,000 suns. It's extremely brilliant. You cannot see it with your physical eyes. You have to close your eyes to see it. See this light glowing there? We'll use the sound sum, like the sum of 2 parts, to awaken the energy at the crown and awaken our sense of unity. So focus there. Let the vibrations go up to the crown of your head. Keep the mouth closed and take a deep breath in. Now see the light at the crown of the head, glowing brighter and brighter, glowing and shining into the whole room, spreading all around. Visualize, see, imagine the light filling the room, your body. It's a very brilliant, purifying, wonderful illumination. Now let's begin pranayama. We'll begin with the breath of fire, Kapalabhati, forceful abdominal exhalations from the nostrils out. Keep the throat area open so there's no constriction in the throat, like when you're doing ujjayi breathing. Instead, your throat's relaxed. After we do that, we'll do 2 retentions, antara kumbhaka, inward retentions, applying the pelvic floor lock, the throat lock, and drawing the navel in. Let's begin. First, concentrate on your breath. Keep your eyes closed as the prana escapes through your eyes. Focus on and notice the sensation of the breath as it passes through the nostrils. Notice the temperature of the breath and the rhythm of it, and follow it into your lungs. Get aware of the breath as it passes through your body. Get aware of your lungs. Keep the focus at the third eye throughout this exercise as it purifies the prana. We'll begin with the breath of fire. Take a deep breath in. Exhale completely. Inhale. Begin. Exhale completely. Inhale 60%. Lift up your rib cage. Tuck your chin to your sternum. Apply the throat lock. Squeeze your pelvic floor. Hold the breath. Inward retention. Gaze towards your third eye. When you're ready to release without fighting, lift up your chin, release the air, and do 1 more retention like this. Inhale 60%. Lift up your rib cage, tuck your chin to your sternum, keep your shoulders back and down. Squeeze the pelvic floor, Mula Bandha. The prana expands in your torso. Keep your focus at your third eye. When you're ready, then release. Return to normal breathing. Keep watching behind the forehead. Next, let's do Brahmari, the Bellows Breath. This is an equal emphasis on inhalation and exhalation coming from the diaphragm and abdomen. This is a breath for joy, and releasing the diaphragm builds energy. Keep the focus at your third eye. Take a deep breath to prepare. Exhale completely. Inhale. And begin. Conclude. Inhale 60%. Lift up your chin. Lift up your sternum, tuck in your chin. Squeeze Jalandhara Bandha, throat lock, Mula Bandha, pelvic floor lock. Focus behind your eyebrows. Do one more breath on your own. When you're ready, without fighting your body, just release your breath. Return to normal breathing. Next, purifying pranayama. You've just cultivated a lot of energy. Keep your eyes closed. See a sea of light prana around you. As you inhale, see the light entering you. Now take another breath in. Deep breath. Lift up your ribcage, tuck in your chin. Close off your nostrils using Vishnu Mudra. And visualize, see the prana that you just cultivated going to all the places that you need it in your body. Places of soreness, pain, situations, maybe your mind, relationships. Any areas of your body or mind that need extra energy, where you want to send it. See the light filling those places and picking up all the energy in those places you don't need. And now, in a moment, lift up your the fingers covering your left nostril, and lift your chin and forcibly exhale from the left, purifying pranayama. See? Smoke releasing out through the left side. Okay, we'll do one more like that. And take a deep breath in. See light prana entering your body. See the prana going everywhere that you need it, all the places that are sore or tight or tired. Lift up your chin and forcefully exhale impurities from the left side. Impurities out. And then release your arms. Come back to normal breathing. Wash behind your forehead. We have Brahmari Kriya, the buzzing breath, the bee's breath, humming breath. We'll use the index fingers with the elbows wide like this and the chest open to plug up the ears. You can fold the flap over your ear like this. And we'll do this one twice. So you're just buzzing. Keep the gaze inward towards your third eye. Feel the vibrations. This is to clear the channels in the head. And take a deep breath in. Begin. Watch the right side of your brain. Look for any colors or images, sounds, thought forms. This practice builds creative energy and creativity, as well as intuition. Now we'll move into Yoni Mudra, the blocking and sealing of the gates being our senses. We'll use the thumbs to plug off the ears, to seal the ears, the little finger and the ring finger to seal the lips, like this. The middle finger will block off the nostrils, and the index finger for the eyelids to apply a little pressure on the eyelids and seal them. Now we are practicing Prathiyahara, withdrawal of the senses. Keep the focus behind the third eye. We'll just do this one twice today. So when you need to take a breath, we'll keep the gates sealed. And when you need to take a breath, lift up your middle finger like this. So you just unblock your nose, okay? And just hold it for however long you comfortably can. You're not trying to fight your body in any way. But maybe find your edge. Keep the gaze behind the eyebrows. Maybe you could see some visual light or something behind your eyes when you press on them. Now take a deep breath in. Keep your elbows wide. Squeeze the pelvic floor and begin. When you're ready to release, release, but keep your eyes closed and keep watching your mind and observe your mind. Observe the right side of your brain, the side that recognizes unity. Our final Kriya, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. We use Vishnu Mudra to do this breathing, so release your index and middle finger down and extend the other fingers. We use the thumbs to block off the right nostril and the ring finger to block off the left nostril. You can let your left hand rest in Gyan Mudra on your knee, face up or face down, or however you like with your left hand, just let it be relaxed. Okay, let's begin. Start by exhaling everything out. Close the eyes. Plug off your right nostril and inhale through the left for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now lift your chin. Lift your chest and tug your chin. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your chin. Exhale right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tug your chin. Hold the breath for 12. Lift your chin, exhale left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale for 4. Hold for 12. Lift your chin, exhale 8 from the right. Inhale right. 3, 4. Hold 12. Lift chin, exhale left. Inhale left for 4. Hold for 12. Lift chin, exhale right. 8. Inhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 12. Lift chin, exhale left. 8. Do 3 more rounds on your own. Left. Keep the gaze at the third eye. Exhale left and finish on left. Release your arms, keep washing behind your forehead. Awaken the thought of all beings everywhere in a peaceful world. We'll close our practice by chanting Om 3 times. By chanting Om Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.